Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2016 Toyota 4Runner SR5 Premium. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors with signals, roof rails, running boards, deep tinted glass, and much more. 17-inch alloy wheels, mud and snow tires, auto-off projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps, fog lights, and a strong 6-cylinder with only 25,437 miles. A power rear window, a hidden wiper, the tow package, large LED brake lights, a very spacious cargo area, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power heated soft text bucket seating, cruise, AC, a locking glove box, a garage door opener, outside temp, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and voice activation, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.